Your heart's beating louder than the bass on a Deadhead's boombox.
Oh, I can't imagine why. My anxiety level is in there aren't enough lifeboats territory. Finally, where's Cupid?
Well, Cupid's a little backed up with Valentine's Day, so he had to send his assistant.
Where's the patient?
Roland? Okay, you've scared me, but I've still got the hiccups.
You know, some people collect stamps. Other people seem to collect jobs.
Helping people find love is my true calling. Plus, I already had the outfit. So, what seems to be the problem?
Well, my heart is racing, I'm hiccuping Valentine's, and you're in my bedroom. How can you make all three go away?
Oh, Sabrina, calm down. I'm sure Roland can help. Sorry, I meant that to sound sincere.